In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your Shopify store, a critical step in setting up a successful dropshipping business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your inventory, this guide is perfect for beginners eager to learn where to source products. To begin, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look for the My Store section on the homepage. This section gives you an overview of your store's performance and a gateway to managing your inventory. Next, you're going to click on Products from the sidebar menu, which will bring you to a list of all the items you currently have in your store. Here, you'll see an Add Product button prominently displayed. This is your next stop. Clicking on this button opens up a blank product page where you'll input all the necessary details about your new product. The first field to complete is the title. This is where you name your product. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive enough to catch the attention of potential buyers. A good tip is to include keywords that people might search for, helping with SEO and making your product more discoverable. Moving on, you'll fill in the description section. This is your chance to captivate your audience. An engaging description not only informs but also motivates the customer to make a purchase. Highlight the key features, benefits, and uses of the product. Keep it concise yet informative, and add a touch of creativity to make it stand out. Now, it's time to add some visuals in the media section. Upload high-quality images of the product, as pictures are worth 1,000 words. If possible, include multiple images showing different angles and any unique product attributes. Customers are more likely to buy a product that they can clearly visualize. Following this, you'll need to assign your product to an appropriate category. This aids in organizing your inventory and makes it easier for customers to navigate your store. Choose a category that best fits your product type. If necessary, create a new category to better accommodate unique items. Finally, you're ready to review everything to ensure all information is correct. Check for typos, confirm the images are clear, and make sure the product is placed in the right category. Once you've verified all details, hit the Save button. Your new product is now live on your store and ready for purchase. By following these steps, you've successfully added a product to your Shopify store. Remember, the key to a successful dropshipping business is not just about what you sell, but how you present it. Keep experimenting and optimizing your product listings to attract and retain more customers. With each new product, your store is growing, and so is your potential for success. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!